finally, girl, the disability warriors, fighting for those who cannot fight for themselves.
A very common question that I get asked by my clients is, can I work while I'm applying for Social Security disability? Many of our clients have been out of work for a long time before they come to me, or they're struggling to keep jobs at the time that they come to our office for an intake. And faced with the reality of the fact that it takes on average about 2 years to get Social Security benefits in Ohio, they have a lot of questions about whether there's any work that they can do while they're trying to get approved in the disability process. In this video, I want to talk about an agency that's called BVR that I refer a lot of our clients to, and I really believe it's a win-win situation for those clients of ours that are willing to try the process. BVR stands for the Bureau of Vocational Rehabilitation. It's a state agency. Everything they do there is paid for by the state of Ohio. It's a division of a larger agency that's called Opportunities for Ohioans with Disabilities. They have offices all around the state, but serving our clients in particular, they do have offices located in Lakewood, which services the Cleveland area, downtown Akron, downtown Canton, and actually up in Toledo, which services people in the Sandusky area. BVR is a win-win situation for people that are going through the disability process that are interested in trying to work, and let me explain why. What they do in BVR is they help people who have limitations in their ability to work, but might still have some remaining ability to work, find work that they can do which fits their limitations. For example, we have many clients that come to us that are unable to stand for long periods of time, or they can't be around large crowds, but they're wondering if there might be some jobs they can do where they could sit more, or where they wouldn't have to deal with the public so much, and maybe they could just work in more of a solitary individual type setting. BVR helps train people for positions like that, assuming that it's demonstrated that they might actually be able to succeed in that environment. They provide job coaching, so once somebody has completed training, they actually will help you enter kind of a trial placement with a job coach there to make sure that you can succeed in that job setting. And then they have job placement services at the end of the program, which help people who've completed their program successfully try to find work doing what they've been trained for. Here's why I call it a win-win situation. If you avail yourself to the BVR process, you try to work, and you show up to their programs, you do what you're supposed to do, and they're able to help you, one, there's no question, even in a minimum wage job, and let me step outside the box and say many of the positions that they help people with go beyond minimum wage. But even in a minimum wage job, you're probably going to earn more money working than you would collecting a disability check. The flip side, and I think about my mental health clients in particular, is that work a lot of times is therapeutic. So when you're at home, you're not working, you don't have a reason to get up and take a shower. You don't have a reason to get out of bed, put on clean clothes. Work is your reason to do those things. So in many senses, it can help people as much as counseling or therapy or medication in some instances. The flip side is that my clients that try BVR that do everything they're supposed to do, but for one reason or another it doesn't work out because of the severity of their health issues, BVR doesn't keep them in the program. They will send a letter that says, thank you for your attempts, but unfortunately we don't think that you're able to enter the competitive workforce at this time, and dismiss you from the program. What that does is it tells a Social Security judge that this person really can't work, and it allows me, when I'm arguing their case, to say, my client's done everything that they possibly can to get better. They want to work, but here's the objective proof that they can't. So much of what I'm doing as a disability lawyer is taking a set of medical records and trying to transition them into vocational facts. So somebody has, a herniated disc in their low back, and a judge and myself and even a doctor, we're left to guess how long they can stand for, how long they can sit for, how much weight they can lift, or if their pain would be severe enough to keep them from being able to concentrate on a job. BVR records are the objective proof that when the person tried to work, they could only stand for very short periods of time, or they couldn't sit long enough to do even a desk job, or they were just not able to focus on the job because of the pain from their impairments. It's a win-win situation because either it helps, maybe lift you up, provide you a better income, or on the flip side, if BVR doesn't work out, I can request those records and make them a part of the disability case to show when you try to work, there really is no work that you can perform. At the end of the video, we'll add on the contact information for several of the BVR offices in Ohio. If you have any questions about BVR, don't be shy. Give us a call here. We're happy to talk to you as always. Thank you for tuning in today. For more tips like the one you just heard, check us out on our YouTube page or on Facebook. Or even better, give us a call today at 216-282-1773.